This bright and sprightly headline in the Gleaner shouting out some more big plans for the upgrade of the National Stadium. And it feels like a case of deja vu, like we've seen and heard this story already. Anyway, we're seeing a planned 45 million US dollars, or almost 6 billion Jamaican dollars. That is almost 6,000 million Jamaican dollars to fund the upgrade and expansion of the National Stadium, including increasing the seating capacity to 38,000, and finally meeting the international requirements so we can invite international teams and host big events like the Gold Cup and blah, blah, blah. And it was even more deja vu as the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium is included in the overall development plans and will finally become a sports tourism facility and horse dead and co forth. Back to the future. But you know, I am still not convinced that the best way to spend all of 6,000 million Jamaican dollars is on increasing the capacity of the National Stadium and pepping up the Trelawney complex. The sports landscape in Jamaica has evolved, and while the modernizing of the stadium is good, outside of Saturday evening at Champs, again, the stadium is still underutilized. Not to mention that waste of money in Trelawney. I am still calling for a synthetic track in central Jamaica and an upgrade of 2 or 3 of the football surfaces to international standard. These things would take much less money than them going to spend and would benefit Jamaica much more in the long run. Yes, in the long run.